Selena Gomez and Marshmello recently released a visualizer for the song Wolves. The video clip shows the same visuals. Gomez sitting on the top of a dining board with the image of moving water, and then her face superimposed on top of it on a loop for the entire audio track. A visualizer tends to be less developed and fully fledged than regular videos, and aims to be a simplistic visual intended to accompany the song. It shows music listeners to see the song to which they are listening. Hey guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio, where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. And in this video, I'm going to show you what are the best free music visualizers. So stay tuned. 8 music visualizers for free. First, Circle Waveform Equalizer. Create your own music visualizers with a dynamic equalizer adjusted to its rhythmic slow and vibrant red color. Simply upload your audio file, edit the music title and artist name, and grab your custom equalizer. Use this visualizer for music videos, single album release, song teaser, and more. Second, Fire Music Visualizer. Let's put the stage on fire. Add synchronized song lyric to the scene. The background theme will go well with the classic all vintage songs. Third, Gradient Flow Visualizer. Use this visualizer for music videos, single album release, and song teasers, and even more. With creative touch of gradient colors, make your music creative than ever. Fourth, Cassette Music Visualizer. Show your music through the creative mix of the modern and retro using the cassette music visualizers. Good go with remixes, music videos, band websites, album promos, and much more. The animated rolling tape will dance to the beats of your music, and so will your audience. Let's give it a try. Florence Beat Visualizer. Let's 10x the impact of your contagious beats, adding them with the high-powered visuals. Customize the templates and have a sensation visualizer synchronized to your art. Make your work count. Give fluorescent beats visualizers a shout today. Album Promo Visualizer. Appeal your audience with a unique video that embraces the power of your music. Just upload your track, add the details and a background image, and enjoy the visualization of your favorite track that in a few minutes. Disco Visualizer. Gain the world's attention to your hot new release with this cool promo visualizer. Change the artist name, music title, choose the visuals that perfectly fit your album style. Give it a try today. Bass Drop Visualizer. Let's add more energy to your music. Bass Drop's music visualizers is what you need to make your songs even more impressive. Make the necessary changes and try it for free on Onemaker.io. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys over there in the next video with another great value, with another great learning. Till then, check Onemaker.io website and goodbye.